this bee, wasps, whatever it is, just came over here and started eating my fish, my salted fish. Kumbala. What the heck? She likes salted. I didn't know that they're into salted stuff. Gosh.